Hello, Patricia Forward back again. I'm just finishing off my teacup. I put some pearls around the lid off camera. I've used, which punch was it? I've used this punch here to punch out. I stamped, sorry, got a bit of glare there. This flower here from the flower shop. Hope that's in focus. And I punched a plain one out, and this flower here I added a little bit of Winker Stella. You can just see it glistening there. And I've used this punch here and punched out a little flower. Just need to sponge him a little bit more, just around the edges. Sorry, I may have went off camera there, I'm not sure. So I sponged him up. Just need to sit him on here and find my pokey tool, and I'm just going to push him down to give him a bit of shape. And then I need my glue dots here. I can find a glue dot here. Put a glue dot on him. Come off. Sometimes they want to stick and sometimes they don't. Maybe if I give it a bit of a twist. And it didn't come in the right spot. Just move him over there. I should have used my pokey tool for this. And we're just going to set him in the centre. Just bring him up a little bit. Why aren't you sticking? We'll try another glue dot. Use my pokey tool this time. I think I tried putting a rhinestone in to there and it didn't want to go either. So we'll just have a little play around with him, get him sitting up there. And I just noticed that one of my pearls fell off and I can't see him, so I'll just get another pearl off here. And these have got glue dots on the back of them already, so we'll just put him on there, give him a good press around. Just press these other ones around, make sure they're stuck on. And I might even add a pearl to the centre of this one, just to bring him up a bit. I think he looks a bit better now with the pearl in the centre. And then now this went on last time, so just to prove that my lid does fit on my teapot. And I've also added the circle to the bottom of it. So I'm hoping my mother-in-law will like this. It's in her favourite colour, so I'm just not sure what to put inside of it. I was thinking maybe some tea bags or some chocolates. Haven't quite decided that yet. But that's that one done. All completed. Now, if you want to know where to get products from, today is the 1st of June, so our new catalogue's out. So these were actually in the occasions catalogue, so you won't be able to get these anymore, unfortunately. I did stock up on them while they had them, so if you wanted some of the papers, I could certainly send some off to you. You'll find me at www.scrapsonworld, and I'm pretty sure there's a little hyphen between scrapsonworld. Stampingup.net is where you'll find all the supplies that I used, and I hope to see you again in another video. Bye for now.